Welcome back to Kids Educational Videos.
Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is gender. There are 4 types of gender, but today we will learn about 2 types, masculine gender and feminine gender. Examples of masculine gender are boy, man, and examples of feminine gender are girl, woman. Let's start. Man, woman. Father, mother. Son, daughter. Brother, sister. Grandfather, grandmother. Boy, girl. King, queen. Uncle, aunt. Husband, wife. Prince, princess. Gentleman, lady. Sir, madam. Monk, nun. Bachelor, spinster. Bridegroom, bride. Wizard, witch. Waiter, waitress. Steward, stewardess. Host, hostess. Hero, heroine. Actor, actress. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Bull, cow. Horse, mare. Peacock, peahen. Dog, bitch. Gander, goose. Drake, duck. Fox, vixen. Cock, hen. He goat, she goat. Milkman, milkmaid. Policeman, policewoman. Salesman, saleswoman. Landlord, landlady. Businessman, businesswoman. Sportsman, sportswoman. Nephew, niece. Emperor, empress. Hunter, huntress. Poet, poetess. Widower, widow. Deer, doe. Drone, bee. Ram, ewe. Master, miss. Servant, maid.